Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Remember, all of our real estate laws in California historically come from English common law. So the historical source of all of our real estate laws comes from English common law. Now the exception to that is this concept of community property. Community property is actually a holdover from Spain. Remember, community property says once two people get married in California, generally the things that they acquire during marriage are considered community property. They're split 50-50 between the spouses. That concept of 50-50 doesn't come from English common law, it comes from Spain. So where do all of our real estate laws come from? For the most part, English common law. The exception to that is this concept of community property. Community property is a holdover from Spain.